We're making curry crab. We have a dozen crabs here. We have a tablespoon of salt, fresh green seasoning that we usually use. It has thyme, celery, bandonnier, 2 cloves of garlic. We have 8 cups of coconut milk here, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. We added half a teaspoon of saffron powder to the curry powder. We have half an onion. We have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, a bunch of green onion, the celery, bandonnier, fine thyme. We have 3 tablespoons of oil ready. And we have the onion and the hot pepper. So we're gonna add some of the fresh seasoning. We have green onion, celery, and thyme. We're gonna add the crab. Cooking for 10 minutes, and we're going to add the coconut milk. The crab has been cooking for 30 minutes and it's done. It's not easy. It's really good though. The meat itself is buttery.